Good morning, guys. Another Bitcoin video. I won't do these forever, but crucial news. Our metrics updated this morning. I wanted to make sure we had a fresh printed data point so I can come out here and show this to you guys. Bitcoin shorts absolutely tanked. So we saw a ridiculous explosion in shorts, and then we see an absolute tank. Now, I mentioned on my first Bitcoin video that this might have been a mistake, and although it was a true data point that printed, it may have actually been a mistake that somebody made on Bitfinex, because I was mentioning this. I was like, guys, if this thing crashes right back down, the dude might have gotten fired if he accidentally hit short instead of long. I know that's probably hard to believe, but it's literally called a fat finger trade that someone can do. So how does this play into today's meeting? We got the Fed meeting coming up today, which is going to be today and tomorrow. How are we going to assess what's going to happen here? Well, this kind of changes the game for a lot of people, because we were looking at this and a lot of people were talking about this huge short increase, and that happened over here right around this area. Nothing went down. And now we see the absolute opposite this morning, where short trades have absolutely tanked over here on Bitcoin and long trades are continuing up, as well as market cap over here is continuing to rise, and it has also rebounded from the last video. Look at this as we dive in here a little bit further here. We can see short trades came out right around this area, and the market cap is already starting to rise back up. Guys, this Fed meeting, I know a lot of people, I'm looking at YouTube, and they're like, man, the Fed meeting's going to crash the market. We're going to go down. We're going to go down. I gave you guys my best prediction of where I think the S&P 500 is going to go, as well as where Bitcoin's going to go. So make sure you guys watch that video I just came out with. But this is not going to be a long video. I just want to dive in here real quick, look at the indicators, and then give us an assessment, looking at Well Institutional, Smart Money, what they're doing, everything real quick, to kind of give us a game changer update. Is honestly what this really is. Like, this is insane, guys. This shows incredible bullishness in the market for Bitcoin. And maybe there was a fear of possible short squeeze that would come out. I don't know, guys. Let's take a look here. So currently sitting at 110 wins, 0 losses. You guys know this. It's our normal intro. We always do. So come over here, subscribe to our membership. We literally have never lost a trade. No one who's ever joined us has ever lost a trade. And we're looking to take a win on Avalanche, which, by the way, can I just sneak over to Avalanche for us real quick? Look at Avalanche starting to pump back up here this morning. So that's getting back closer to our entry. So woohoo, go Avalanche. All right. Let's come over to Bitcoin. Let's dive in. As far as retail trader indicators go, we're looking at most of this being majority bearish here. So, this may be interesting, guys. This over here, I trust this more than this metric up here, because this is looking at basically, you can argue this is blockchain, on-chain data that we're looking at over here. This is actual transactions that are going through for Bitfinex, and people just took, do you guys know there was like millions and millions and millions of dollars borrowed on Bitfinex to bring these shorts out? So what did everybody do? Just sell them? I think what people did is they were like, okay, we bought we bought our shorts over here, and then they ended up coming out in here and seeing the price didn't do anything, and I think they got scared. Honestly, shorts got scared, and so they completely removed their shorts and actually probably started buying more Bitcoin, which is probably why the market cap is actually going up over here. So really bullish sign. Price versus well money flow, trend exhaustion. These are sitting in the basically middle, what I would call neutral sections. Here's how you guys use these, and snag this in the description. They're 84% off. We will never have them cheaper than this ever again. Treat yourself before the prices go back up. And you guys have 15 days left at the end of the month. What I'm watching for is when the well money flow pushes up here and trend exhaustion is high, this is where you guys need to be looking for the next drop back down, which will probably be closely correlated to this structure high here, probably a double top right around this area of about 42,600, okay? When I see that area up there, that's where we're going to be looking for that move down. All my scalpers out there looking to scalp Bitcoin and all the other coins, watch for this move right here. Watch for trend exhaustion to push to the bottom red section, as well as well money flow to move down here. And if you guys see this, as well as when you look up here and you guys see that we're in the anxious section for retail traders emotionally, that is a good place to look for a scalping position back up, either right here at this support or at the support here at $35,000. So this is how you guys can literally just start making money with our tools over here and use them to predict the markets. Last time that moved up here, you guys saw this drop. I'm not going to go over all these. I just did in the other Bitcoin video, but look at when these head up in the top red section, well money flow low. Just look at when both of these are higher. That's when we're expecting moves back down. When they're both low, that's when we can call moves back up. Scalp as much as you want, make as much money as you want. We have people trading for a living with these two indicators. That is serious, and you guys can look at the testimonials on our website. Okay, those are in the description. Let's shift you guys over here and let's look at the metrics. We are sitting in the neutral section. Right now, we're not going to take too much inventory of this. We're going to leave it where it's at. Short trades decreasing, long trades increasing. Absolutely, unarguably, a bullish sign in the market. Bullish sign for long and shorts, bullish sign for crypto market cap. The market cap strength of Bitcoin is continuing to increase, guys, in a consolidation zone here. This to me says we could easily be targeting the structure high here at the top of the channel, which is around 46,000, or we're going to probably move down to about 35,000. My last video was about how low we could go. This video is more about how high we could go, and I do think structure high at 46,000 is where we're probably going to push to if we start seeing this play out and the Fed meeting is good. I don't know if you guys saw, but the European Union decided not to ban crypto. That is a bullish sentiment for crypto today before the US goes into their Fed meeting. So if you guys watched that, I literally read it this is now about 40 minutes ago that it came out. So make sure you guys are watching that. Trades in favor, we're sitting in the neutral section. My scalpers out there, once this dips down into the good long trade, which will probably be, if we see a drop, probably Wednesday or Thursday, and the trend exhaustion is low, guys, that's where you're looking to scalp this market back up, and you guys are looking for 3 to 4%, and I show that to you guys in the masterclass. All right, well, institutional smart money, what are these guys doing? Well, here's something interesting, is that we've been seeing this whole week that long trades have been coming out here for institutions and Wells and smart money. Interesting enough, it kind of made me feel like a little weird. I was like, okay, what's happening? Wells institutions are going long, and we've got short trades up here. Now that short trades have crashed, this does make more sense now that why these guys kept going long here. Maybe this was actually just a few people that accidentally clicked some wrong buttons, or maybe just a small group of traders that were like, oh, we're going to short this and manipulate the market, and then the next day we're going to crash this. I'm not sure. I don't want to make conclusions about that, but let's just stick to the data. This is bullish. This is bullish here. This is bullish here. All right. These are all bullish signs. Unarguably, they are bullish signs. Okay. Support and resistance prices. First resistance, 42,000. Second resistance, 45,000. That's right here, and that's right here. Okay. Wouldn't doubt if by Friday, if this Fed meeting, guys, is actually neutral, I think that'll actually be pretty bullish compared, correlating that to our metrics over here. By Friday, or this weekend, I wouldn't doubt if we actually see a bull run of Bitcoin up to about 42,500. Okay, let me write this down on my notes here so I can have it for us. 42,500 is not an unrealistic benchmark to hit by Friday and the weekend. This can move up very fast. Let me give you guys a prediction over here. I'm just going to keep going on this, give you guys everything you need. How fast did we move up on this move right here? Well, it took 16 hours. 14 hours. Let's see. I'm trying to pull it over here a little bit left. I think I pulled it a little bit too far to the left. Anyways, let's do 16 hours to give ourselves plenty of time, okay? Obviously, that's less than a day. So by Friday, easily we could be pushing up here to around this level, right? Like I said, 42,500. Continue down here, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup. If you guys think this is going to bounce, let me show you guys how to trade this based off a strategy that we've never lost, okay? Dollar cost average entries, great entry here for you guys to look for a move back up. Exit points here, we're looking for this next point to get back up here and then see a drop, okay? I know I just covered this in the Bitcoin video, so this is a repeat for some of you guys, so you can stop it now. But those of you who are new watching this, you guys can literally take the setup right now because this is updated metrics we have right now. 50 moving average is still above the 200, so we are still in a death cross for Bitcoin. When the 50 does move above the 200, that will be what's called a golden cross, and that usually pushes us into bull market cycles. Okay. Watch this. You guys want to get literally into Bitcoin right now? You've got 4 buy limits. Because this price is where it's at and it's not below the equator, if you guys learned that in the master classes, you want to use all 4. So choose the amount of money you want to enter this trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, $250. Now place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. $250, $250, $250, $250. Once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up in green for 100%. This is in case the market just absolutely explodes and we start seeing very fast moves up. Now, once you do that and your sell limit's up here, set that up. I will call an exit for everybody in Bitcoin on this trade over here that we're currently set up in, which is down 15.33%. Most likely, this trade, I'm looking at calling an exit just before we get to structure high. So we'll probably take exactly right around 10 to 11% on that trade, unless I see something else where I think we're going to crash back down faster. But that's what we're probably going to be taking on that trade. You guys can literally just set this trade up right now. And if you want to follow me, those of you guys who enter in now with the buy limits, you guys can get in here and you're probably going to be looking at experiencing probably around, let me get a percentage here. I would say right around about 29, maybe 30% on that trade because you guys are going to be entering a little bit lower than where we are. And I will call this all out in Telegram so you guys can watch this. So with our membership, you guys do get access to the Telegram channel as well as the master classes and all these metrics you guys are watching right now. Real quick, guys, I know I mentioned this in all the videos here. $95 a month. That's what our membership is. Come over here and snag this. You get access to all the metrics as well as the Telegram channel. You guys are also getting access to all the masterclass videos, and we're going to go live next month on Zoom together as a family to talk about the markets. Literally, guys, this is how we have never lost a trade, and we are sitting at 110 wins. And Avalanche, which is pumping up right now, could be our 111th win, and I'll cover that for you guys of exactly where I'm exiting and when I'm entering back in. So literally you can copy every single move that I make over here. And we do have one of the healthiest accounts. Actually, the healthiest account we can find on YouTube is our account because of the risk management that I'm teaching you guys. So we're really excited about that. That also means we're going to be the first account in profit, most likely on YouTube, once the market starts going back up. So definitely watch that because we'll probably be jumping by tens of thousands of dollars as this bull run next bull run takes place. Okay, finishing up here. So you guys have these so you can watch this as we start moving into this Fed meeting today and tomorrow. The indicators, these three that I use every day on my charts, we're running a sale right now. You guys get 84% off. We will never have the prices lower than this ever again. Okay, this is the lowest you will ever be able to get our bundle pack. It's the lowest you'll ever get it. So if you guys have seen our videos, I appreciate you guys. If you smash the subscribe button and you like it, that's awesome. Get the data. But if you guys want to trade on your own, you guys want to scalp on more than just the videos I come out with, there's a lot of coins out there you guys can trade with these indicators on. The bundle pack is the best. These are the three that I use. They're 40% off right now if you use the normal coupon code SAVE MONEY, but we are running the sale so you guys can snag this. It's kind of like our Shamrock sale, I guess we can call it. Enter coupon code MARCH and you guys will get all the indicators for literally 84% off, and you get 9 indicators. It's a one-time purchase, not a monthly fee, and you guys get access to all of them for life, and you get the source codes. So what I'm telling you guys is watch the indicators. When well money flow hits the top section up here, and when trend exhaustion moves up, if you guys are in that long trade, if you set it up today, you might want to look to take an exit once you see trend exhaustion in the top red section. That has been where we've seen drastic drops before in Bitcoin. If you want to brag to your friends that you were able to call the drop, set this up on your charts right now, okay? Let me show you real quick, guys, how to set this up with an alert. Come over here to the alerts. You're going to click the alert setting right here. You're going to go to Bitcoin USD and click trend exhaustion. And what you guys are going to be doing is watching for a drop. This is for the bullish side of this. The last video I did was for looking at the bearish side. Wisdom looks at both sides, guys, okay? Trend exhaustion. You're going to do watch for drop, and you can do, I would do once per bar close, that's fine. And then do BTC, watch for drop. Okay, perfect. And just set this. That's literally as easy as it is. And I'm going to keep it open on my charts over here because I want to see as this market starts moving back up here, there is going to be some bullishness that enters back in if this Fed meeting isn't bad and it's actually kind of bullish. So we need to watch for the next drop back down. For those of you guys who are entering in here, those of you guys who are looking to scalp, or if you have scalping positions already open, you might want to look to actually exit that trade when we get up there. Alternatively, if we do crash, the next bounce point is going to be looking at trend exhaustion, and you want to go to watch for pump, and you want to do BTC, watch for pump. This is going to give you an alert now when the trend exhaustion line is pushed in the bottom red section. When it comes down into these bottom red zones right here, like this zone, right when it crosses this line here, you'll get an alert. That is where I'm looking for the next bounce back up in Bitcoin and the crypto market, which may be at structure here or structure here around 35,000. Either way, guys, I've got these alert setups. You can set them up as well. Watch these to call the markets. It is incredible. They call the dips and the pumps about 75 to 80% of the time. And I know this video is not short how I just said it. So I heard myself in my head. You told them it was going to be short. I'm sorry, guys, it's not short. I just want to give you this information and prepare you for what's happening, and literally let these guys guide you. Let the metrics guide you, and look at what whales and institutions are doing. Literally, guys, this is on-chain metrics. You can't fake this stuff. Look at exactly what is happening over here on a daily basis. Look at the market cap. Look at the emotional index. Look what wells and institutions are doing, guys. When the market is dropping and these guys are buying, you need to look for a market move back up. When the market's going up and you guys see these guys shorting over here, you need to look for the drop back down. When you see the market dropping and you get the Khalifa building in Dubai over here on long trades, you need to look for the move back up. This is how you guys trade smart, and with these metrics, you guys will be able to probably make a whole lot more money than you currently are. So I'll leave you guys with this. This testimonial was just super funny, so I just had to put it up here. This guy's like, I have your indicators and feel like a god now. So I had to post it over here. He dropped it into the comment section the other day. So Adam Fang, dude, you cracked me up. I thought that was hilarious. So we had to post it over here because you can look at people trading for a living over here, making hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars. It's just pretty awesome. Guys, people buy the indicators and listen to Travis to the end. It's kind of fun. So have an amazing day, guys. I've linked the discount for the indicators in the description, as well as I pinned it to the comment of this YouTube video, as well as how to, basically I just gave you guys the link over here to our membership so you guys can subscribe and get this and watch all the metrics. And guys, enjoy using all these tools in your trading journey. I think you're going to really like it, as well as you guys are going to get every single call that I make for all the trades that we're going to win. So you guys want to possibly never lose a crypto trade ever again and have really good metrics, and you guys want to get the indicators, like indicators are sold separately, like just know that. But literally, I think you guys are going to love the setup we have over here, and I hope you guys have a really, really good day, and I'll keep you guys covered with this Fed meeting and what's going on. All right, guys, God bless you. Links in the description. See you guys later. Bye, guys.